This learning object was developed in accordance with the Woodwork Career Alliance Skills Standards. It is intended to familiarize you with the major parts, safety procedures, and common operations performed on a table saw. Variations exist between machine manufacturers. It is recommended you review the manufacturer's owner's manual before operating any machine you are not familiar with. Selecting the proper blade for ripping will result in a better finish and less load on the saw's motor. Rip blades have fewer teeth and usually a flat top grind. Crosscut blades have more teeth, and the teeth have alternating bevels. Triple chip blades are designed to minimize tear out when cutting composite products and plastics. Combination type blades, although not as efficient, are designed to be used for either ripping or cross-cutting. A table saw should be equipped with a splitter or riving knife. This is designed to keep the board from coming back together after it passes the blade, which could cause the material to kick back at the operator. Riving knives should be adjusted to be just below the top of the blade. Splitters are often equipped with anti-kickback fingers to further minimize this danger. Some operations, such as when rabbiting or cutting grooves, require that the splitter be removed. Riving knives are generally able to remain in place, except when plunge cutting or using a dado blade. Throat plates are designed to reduce the opening surrounding the blade so stock does not get trapped while cutting. Different sized throat plates will be needed for dadoing operations. Zero clearance throat plates should be used when ripping narrow stock to prevent the stock from falling into the opening, which could cause a dangerous condition. All saws will come with a guard. There are also a variety of aftermarket guards available. Some offer dust collection ports to help with dust extraction when cutting. This guard shown slides into an overhead arm and is suspended over the blade. This guard attaches to the saw and is equipped with a splitter and anti-kickback fingers. Another aftermarket blade guard is available which cantilevers over the blade and can be mounted from multiple locations. Alternative guarding solutions may be necessary at times. Cabinet saws are typically equipped with a single lever clamping T-style fence which slides along the front rail. The fence can be adjusted quickly and accurately. Differences in blade thickness can quickly be compensated for by loosening the magnified viewing lens and sliding it to the left or right. Always make a trial cut to verify your setting, especially after changing blades. The surface of the table saw has two parallel grooves milled into it that can accept a miter gauge. These grooves can also be used for featherboards or to accommodate a tenoning jig, as shown here. The miter grooves accept a miter gauge, which is used for cross-cutting. A miter gauge can be used to make a square end cut or cuts at an angle. The final part of a cabinet saw is the on-off switch. Most quality cabinet saws are equipped with a magnetic switch so that if the power fails while the saw is cutting, the saw won't automatically turn back on when the power is restored. Never leave a machine unattended while it is running. When you are finished using the machine, make sure it has come to a complete stop before moving on to your next task. The purpose of this module was to introduce you to the main parts of a table saw. Variations exist among manufacturers, so be sure to review the owner's manual prior to using a new saw.